In this short demonstration, we will show how you can easily use the DDR memory test software from Casio to quickly validate DDR memory. In this example, I'm running the VTOS DDR software on my laptop and connected to a reference design board from NXP. I am using a CodeWarrior tap with a USB connection to my laptop and a JTAG connection to the target board. Our first step is to launch the VTOS DDR software. As you can see, I have a current configuration loaded for the T1023 RDB. Casio provides reference projects so that you can get up and running quickly with example references. The first step is to create a connection with this target board. In this connection dialog, I will select the product, the processor that's on that design, and the connection type, which is CodeWarrior, and the tap settings. When I click on the Connect button, this will initialize the target memory, download the Casio firmware into on-chip memory, and then begin execution. Once it's up and running, you will see the .ready and firmware version information. The first thing I want to do is run a memory test. From the list over here on these interactive tests, you can double click to run any of the DDR tests that are provided. I'll start with a structural test. As you can see, the first thing that happens is that we use your DDR controller settings to configure the DDR memory controller. And you can see it was completed successfully, that there was 2 gig of memories with a 32-bit interface. Then the structural test was run. The structural test provided a walking 0, a walking 1, and an address. This ensures that the data and the address lines are working properly. Next, I'll want to stress the interface, so I run the DDR noise group. This is a number of noise tests that will actually do caching and bursting to stress that DDR interface. Lastly, I'll run a comprehensive test. This is a combination of the structural test, the noise test, and full memory cell testing. Because we're running from on-chip memory, we will test from the beginning to the end of DDR memory. And in here, every cell of memory is tested, and every bit of memory is set to a 0 and 1 to guarantee that that works properly. And multiple passes are run over the memory. The complete process for 2 gig of memories took just under 22 seconds. If I wanted to do more advanced type of interfaces, I can actually run looping, troubleshooting, and other type of interface and other type of steps to ensure the integrity of the DDR memory. Once I'm happy with the memory test and I want to see what my DDR settings are, I can come over to the DDR settings. I can review the actual settings that are used in this configuration and edit those and change those configurations. But once I'm happy with it and the DDR controller has been configured, I can display the DDR register settings. This is a dump of the address, the value, and then a human readable name that's taken from the technical reference manual. I can also dump these settings that are useful for exporting to U-boot. And there you have it. That's a quick demonstration of VTOS DDR that you can use to provide comprehensive memory testing of your own custom circuit board design and memory part. For more product information, videos, user guides, and instant quotes, please visit www.casio.com. Thank you.